Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can generate alert using advanced TPSL feature. Here you have to go to app.pickmytrade.trade. Here in generate alert you have this option. This advanced TPSL feature works for indicator, so make sure to select indicator. Here I am going to generate alert for BTC. Alert type for me is buy, entry order type. I kept it as market. I want quantity as 5. Under the risk setting, here we get this advanced TPSL option. First you have to select yes here, then you have to enable this multiple TPSL. Here it will ask, would you like to set multiple take profit and risk management parameter? Here you will select yes. So what happens here is by default here is 1. As we select 5 there, 1 out of 5 appears here and remaining are shown here. So if I keep SL of 5 and TP of 10, let's say I keep break even as 2. Trail stop loss type I selected as point in dollars. Trail SL value I kept it as 12, trail trigger value I am keeping as 6, and trail frequency is 2. If you are confused with those calculations, how they works, so you can refer to our previous videos, you will get the link in the description. So here we have set TPSL for one quantity, but if you want to set TPSL for other quantity, select on add another TPSL. Here I will keep as 3, so for 3 quantities I want to keep my SL as 10 points. TP I set it as 14. Break even is optional, so I will select no, and the other settings also I will keep them as no. I will add one more TPSL. Here quantity is 1 and SL value is 15 and TP I set it as 17. And break even and other settings I have set to no. Then you have to click on save and continue, and here you will find all the details about all the TPSL respectively. Here I will select no here. Then click on generate alert, then I will add my account here. And here the alert is generated. So first I will copy this JSON, go to TradingView. Right now I am having the indicator of RSI. Then in alerts I will change my condition to RSI. Paste the copied JSON here in the message box. Copy the webhook URL and paste it here in the notification section. You can set the custom alert name. Here I am keeping it as advanced TPSL. Then click on create alert. So here my alert is active, and here you can see one order is filled here. You can also check the orders in the PickMyTrade alert logs. Here is the recent order which is placed, and this is the entry ID for those order. So after waiting for a while, here you can see our buy order is filled. This one is for 3 units and this one for 1 unit. TPSL for 1 quantity is different, TPSL for 3 quantity is different, and all the orders are being placed. So that's how we can use this feature and set multiple TPSL and automate our trades.